Gold traded in a range yesterday, and as we expected and we discussed, gold delivered a symmetrical candle. Look at these two identical candles, one in green, one in red, almost identically similar with lower highs and higher lows. Now, important day today when the Fed is going to declare not only the interest rate but the rate projections that are going to be. So, what to expect today? How we can profit trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts. And yes, do like, share, and comment, friends, before leaving this video. That's always a great motivation. Now, on the hourly charts, there are a couple of observations here. First, look at the consolidation here. After that, the drop. Now, see, the drop was sharp. The retracement is gradual. Look at the angle here. It suggests that it is still under retracement. Also, if you look at the movement here, it is you will find higher lows, lower highs. It is in the zone of consolidation. Now, very important, any point of time today, if you see gold staying below 2145, that is a point of time we can say it is turning bearish. And on the upside, 2165. So these $20 of move is where you should focus upon. Now, how we can capture profits within this $20 itself? Look, see, after consolidation, it is looking upwards. It is finding resistance here at 2160. So we have to wait for it to give a breakout. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also divergent and bullish. RSI is rising. On the 2 hour, similar observation you can see here on the 2 hour charts. See, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see, what has happened in all these moves is that the complete move is getting diminished. Higher lows are seen. Thus, it appears that possibly it can give a breakout, and this could be on the upside. Now look, the rise, the retracement, and a breakout is awaited. So this breakout can be possibly, because see, this is also forming a nice flag formation. So any move outside this flag formation will certainly be a markation of bullishness in gold. The stochastic is overbought here. And look at MACD hitting the bottom. It is trying to trade with divergence suggestive of bullishness. RSI is rising, coming to 3 hours. On the 3 hour charts, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Next is, it has formed a nice double bottom. It appears that once it breaks beyond 2162-64 zone, we can look forward to 70-72, which is going to be the next resistance. And if it stays above this, we can look forward to 2180 levels as well. Yes, it can try to deliver a symmetry, and breaking beyond 2180 is where we can say now gold has turned bullish. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD, look at MACD, it is stabilized at the bottom. It is trying to trade with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Right now it is very much in range. Wait for it to give a breakout and take a clear cut direction. Stochastic rising here. The MACD, look at the MACD. It is almost on the verge of a crossover, and this crossover can lead to bullishness, but it has still room for it to drop further. However, right now it is convergent and willing to crossover. RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts and I share the trading strategy and levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting week 1st of April. In this batch, we focus on only and only two things. One is to give you the skills so that you can identify profitable trades with ease, and the second one is the art to trade profitably. These two are different, and thus the tools, concepts, strategies, and the trade setups shared with you will definitely help you acquire these skills. So reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who just want to trade as per the signals can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And again, you can connect with me for details related to the services. Also, many of you had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy, with global presence and offers diverse set of instruments to be traded, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on. Now, coming to the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, after this strong run, gold has just stabilized here, and it is trying to consolidate a bit within the range here. It has waited for the moving averages to climb up. Now the moving average 20 period is sitting at around 2135. The median of the Bollinger Bands is also situated at around the same level. So for once, even if it tries to drop, it can just try to kiss this level before bouncing back. This is one possibility you should not ignore. Second, look at the preceding candle consolidation going on here. Thus, if you see gold staying above 2165, you can say now it is trying to reverse and we can look forward to 72.5 74 levels as the next target, and then beyond that we can in fact look at 2180. Any move beyond 2180 is a sign of bullishness, where you can say the now the prices are turning bullish. Else it can give you good swings. Remember, it can give you good swing achieving the highs. It can reverse as well. Be watchful of the stochastic here rising from the bottom. But most interesting part is the MACD. Now MACD has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence just two candles away, which suggests that it can consistently deliver increasing candle size, mostly because see the rise, the retracement, and again a rise and a crossover here can lead to slight bearishness. It has already crossed over and it is indeed trading with modest bearish bias. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold. If you see it is staying above 2165, expect it to move towards 2168, 2171.5, 72.5, the next resistance, and beyond this, if it stays above 2171.5, 72.5 zone, I will be looking forward to 2178 and 80 as the next target. Any move beyond 2178 80 zone, you can say now gold is turning bullish again, and in fact it can try to hit the near term highs or all time highs, that is 2195. So this is one part on the buy side. On the sell side, see you can sell here at 2154, but with a caution towards 2150, 2145. Only and only if gold is seen trading below 2145, 46.5 zone, you can say it is turning bearish, and then we can look forward to a sharper drop which can in fact take it till towards 2136. 2130 and 25. 2130 and 25 are the next two critical levels which we will be looking forward to if it stays below 2145 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services, and do watch the next update before the US session, before the major news event. Do not miss this update. That will add lot much of meaning to your trading decisions. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.